Get it, Riley. What are you doing? Ow. Quit it.
Squishy, squishy. Sounds so wrong.
Shut up.
What a jerk.
That's
See all the
Squirrel's
leaves that the squirrel's throwing down there, Hudson?
So he's doing it to antagonize them.
Yeah, he's doing it because the dogs chase him all the
Do
time.
squirrels ever do that?
What's that?
Do that?
I've never seen a squirrel do
I
that
never
before.
seen a squirrel do that either.
Really? What'd the squirrel do? Want a solution? I have a BB gun with a scope.
Get it.
Face.
Well, I have to get it sighted in. Since I've had it, I've never gotten it sighted in. It can also shoot little air rifle thingies. The other ones. Those would hurt more. If you have a BB gun, I could probably get him. I'm not bad at them.
I have one, but I don't have a shooter.
I'm actually not bad for a rifle in general. We went to a range and I was like, here, try this 22. I hit the little team clay pellet on the post and they're like, that's not one of his targets.
I got it on video too.
What are you going to do with it?
I don't see
I'm
him.
gonna put it on YouTube.
You see him?
Yeah, I see. I just saw it.
Stop it.
Look at your
I saw it!
No. Do that run again and then do that. That was very funny.
Why?
You're like this.
Do it.
I feel it right behind you. I'm sorry.
Do it again.
Just the way you did it was
I
so
feel like I scared the crap out of her now. She's just like, oh no, I can't be related to this one.
You gotta do the run again. That was so funny how you did that.
Do it.
I do that to the dogs.
Do it again.
No, because you're recording me now.
Well, she did. Look, this is how she did it. What? Okay.
Golly.
Oh, the pain he brings upon me. Ah!